Hey there. You want to rank higher on Google Maps. That's why you're watching my channel, because that's all that I specialize in and all that I talk about. And so, what I want to do today is show you my best tip if you want your Google business profile outranking your competitors quickly. And it has to do with creating videos on your Google profile, because videos are usually very hard to do, which means that your competitors are not doing them, which means that if you do them, you're going to stand out. Also, Google in recent months has emailed business owners letting them know the importance of creating and posting videos. So Google is telling us directly that we need to make videos. And so this video that I'm making for you is going to show you how you can create your own videos very easily for your Google business profile or your clients' Google business profiles so that they can get more customers from Google Maps. So the first thing that I want to point out is that if you search Google for how to easily make videos for your business is that there are a bunch of options. There's Veed, which is a very good platform, and Vimeo and Canva. But these top platforms all require that you actually do the work. And so what I'm going to show you at the end of this video is how you can actually automate it so you can get really nice videos uploaded to your Google profile without having to do any work or know how to edit a video. If you were to use an older system or one where there is some work, then I would actually suggest Canva because it has some really good templates that you can start with where you can just replace their stock logos with yours and stock call to actions in yours, and it'll make creating videos just a little bit easier than if you were to start from scratch. So if you want to do it the hard way, then use Canva, but stick around to the end and I'll show you the way to fully automate creating videos for Google business profiles. And the next thing I'm going to do is just show you real fast why videos are so important. One, Google has actually emailed business owners letting them know that they need to provide videos. They've done this twice in the last 2 months, which really tells us that it's important. They really care about providing videos to their searchers. I think that it's because they see that TikTok is getting a lot of local searches, which is, or rather searches for local businesses or just products. And that's very video oriented. And so they're trying to compete a little bit with TikTok in the search area and make sure they make videos for businesses as well. And so I think that's one reason. And you can really see it here because in the top 3 here of the media section for this business, you'll see they have a video in the 2nd spot as well as in the 7th spot. They have way more pictures than videos, but yet they're still putting the videos at the top. And you'll see this if you look at any business online. If they have a video, then Google is going to show it higher up in the media library. And then they also separate over here onto its own videos tab. So they're definitely keeping track of this. All right. So let's talk about how you can fully automate this process. And I'm going to show you what an automated version looks like first. What I'm going to do is share a new tab. And I'm going to play this video so you can see what an automated one looks like.
Hey there. Welcome to ShipBots, your go-to team for top-notch e-commerce fulfillment in the LA and Long Beach area. We handle everything from order packing to speedy shipping so you can chill and watch your business grow. Our 3PL warehouse is designed to make your Shopify store's life super easy with seamless logistics and reliable fulfillment every step of the way. Whether you're a startup or a big brand, we've got the solutions to meet your needs. Ready to take the plunge? Call us today and let's get started.
How great was that? It completely explained to the person looking for this type of business what this business does so they feel more comfortable calling. Also, when someone watches this, they need to stick around on the Google profile for longer, which is going to show Google that people really are interested in this business when they click on it, which means they're going to show your business profile to more people. And so this is an example of a video that you can fully automate the creation of. And you can also make some edits if you want, but really the benefit of this kind of tool is that it does all the work for you. But again, you can go and change the images that were used, or the title of it, or the intro slide, or the ending slide, or what was even said in the narration. And this is a tool called Paige. And so let me show you. Paige does a whole lot more than video creation, although it is the newest feature that we released. Paige is a fully automated AI agent that can manage your Google business profile and do so much more like an expert. So if you want to learn more, then head over to merchant.com/Paige, and you can see all the functionality that it offers. So if you're looking for an easier way to manage Google business profiles, then this could be a really good option because it really serves as the world's best Google business profile manager. And the way that we created this video was really just by uploading some images into the system. So this tool Paige learned all about the business when you connected it, and then when you upload the images, it just took them, optimized them, and then used them for the video. And so all that you're doing is providing images. Paige will then create the video using them, and you have some more control about where it goes. So soon, Paige can also send these to YouTube. You can approve them before they publish if you want, and you can change what the starting and ending slides say and what voices are used, and really adjust anything that you need. So if you're looking for the best way to optimize your Google business profile, then you should at least start a paid trial today, just $1. And you can do a 3-day trial, which includes a video. So you can get a free automated video just by starting a page trial. So what are you waiting for? Go to merchant and try it today.